Hey guys, it's Ica and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the 10-minute makeup challenge. Okay you guys, I literally have everything laid out and set right in front of me. It's kind of like when I'm doing my freelance makeup. I have everything laid out so then when I start working, everything's there. So I'm gonna put 10 minutes on the clock. I think I did pretty good in the 5-minute makeup challenge even though I didn't do a full face. So I wanted to do a 10-minute makeup challenge because I'm confident that I can do a full face in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna put 10 minutes and you guys will see it here too. And I'm gonna start it now. Okay, I'm gonna take Porefessional Primer. I'm gonna be brushing again. I'm so happy to have my freaking mirror on here. Wow. I'm putting it all over my face. Not gonna try to talk too much because I don't have enough time, or I don't have a lot of time. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Foundation, and I'm using it with my e.l.f. foundation brush. Why do I look so light on camera? What the hell? Am I really that light? Okay, blend it out. What? A minute already has passed? What the frick is this? There's hair on my face. Okay, highlight. So when I did the 5-minute makeup challenge, I didn't use foundation. So that's why that was quick. I feel like I can't talk because like I need to concentrate so much. Oh, the contour's kind of off. Two minutes and a little bit has passed. Why do I look so frigging light in camera? On camera, wow. Like especially like underneath my eyes. Holy. Do I really look that bad? Okay, I'm gonna set my foundation. And I usually don't use this powder, but I feel like it'll be quicker, so I'm using this. Okay, brows. And I'm not gonna use a pomade because I feel like that takes me a little bit longer. Pencil is quicker. Every time I do my brows, I feel like I make that like confused look, like ooh, this one's a little bit weird. I absolutely hate doing my brows. Oh my goodness. What the hell is wrong with me? Oh my god, now my brows are freaking so thick right now. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Oh my god, this is taking way too much time. I usually don't take this long. Okay, if I have time, I'll fix it later. I'm so not happy with my brows. 5 minutes left. What the frig, man? Okay, I'm gonna use the Violet Vase palette. Actually, I don't even remember what see, I can't even talk. I can't remember what palette this is. Violet Vase Pro, it just says, and I think it's like Boss something. I don't know. I don't remember. And I'm gonna go for like my usual colors, obviously. Oh, sorry, I'm looking this way. I feel like I should look this way. Every time I buy or use a different palette, I always go for the same colors. Like, look at this wine shade. I feel like this is my crease color like every single time. I don't know, I just gravitate towards the same shades. For some reason. I think my brows effed me up. 4 minutes. I can do it. Do I want to use gold? Okay. Okay, there's no time to think, man. I don't know if I like this. Kind of not liking this, but have to go with it. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, anyway, I don't have time for this. I don't have time to complain, and yeah. I feel like this is way too late. Oh my god. This eye is just like, it's weird. It's like on a different level. Okay. Pretty much done eyeshadow. It's not even. Ah! I dropped my brush. Whatever. I finally got a new Tarte eyeliner. I had to pay my sister for it because she got it for me. $2.25. Okay. Oh my god. Jesus. I was freaking out. Honestly, I don't even, like, I forget that I have a camera right in front of me. That's why I keep turning like the other way. That's usually how I put bronzer anyways. Okay, my favorite blush right now. Highlighter. 1.5 minutes. Sorry. Oh my god. One minute, I can do this, I can do this. "34 seconds. Okay, I'm pretty much done. Let me just fix this. 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Down. Okay. So I don't like my eyeshadow. But other than that, I think my eyebrows turned out okay. I don't know. I don't think my eyeshadow's even. I'm gonna take a picture of what the thing in front of me looks now, so you guys see. I mean, it's not that messy, honestly. It's just towards the end that I kind of started panicking. But other than that, like, yeah, I can do my full face in 10 minutes, including lashes. I don't like how I use, I don't like the eyeshadow that I did today. I feel like I should have picked another palette, and I was actually literally sitting here for like 5-10 minutes trying to figure out which palette to use for this challenge, but I was like, okay, let me use something that I haven't used in a while, so that's why I picked up the Violet Voss one. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you actually did like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I post a new video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!